I have installed some auxiliary work lights on this tractor. I got a kit from Amazon that had 4 of these, and for about $8 I bought 2 of these pipe clamps off of Amazon. I also bought a power supply harness that had a fuse in it. This was on the tractor right here is an auxiliary power supply. It come on when I turned the key on, it went off when I turned the key off, so I was not using that. I cut that off, and that's where I tapped into the power supply. This kit, this wiring harness kit, come with a on and off switch. There was already a rubber plug here that fit in that hole nicely, so that's what I did. I was not using that space. And my power supply was originally for 2 lights, but I'm running the left and right off of one side of the power harness, and I'm running the other 2 lights right here and here off of this side. What I did, the wires from the lights, I just put 2 positives and 2 negatives into the connectors, and that way it's feeding from that. But it makes a real good addition. If I turn my key off and the lights go off, I don't have to have them on when the key's on, because I've got this nifty little switch here that lights up when the power's on. So anyway, I like it. Hope this helps y'all.